The competition itself is going to involve students building a robot. We're doing what's called the FTC team, and that robot is 18 inches cubed. Maximum when it starts. It can expand after the competition starts. It can expand out as long as it can contract back.
Or you're paired with teams, like you're allied with teams sometimes, and then like other times you're against them. So like you have to build a robot that could be like defensive or offensive.
It has to be able to identify what color our team is and knock off balls that are not associated with our team. So there's lots of different things that the robot has to be able to do, and each thing earns different numbers of points. Well, it definitely builds their problem-solving skills. I mean, they're given the challenge, but they aren't given any idea really how to do it. There are some instructions on the basics of how to build the base of the robot, but in terms of how does the robot read this picture, they need to go out and research that. So they learn research skills. They learn about how to brainstorm. Like our meeting tomorrow, we're going to sit there and say, what are all of the things, the challenges that we need to overcome, and then start brainstorming. Okay, so if we need to pick up a block, what are different ways to pick up a block? And we start coming up with different ways to do it. The first 30 seconds of the competition are autonomous, meaning you just hit go and the robot has to do what it's been programmed to do. And then the last 2 minutes are game controlled. We're using like a game controller to do what it needs to do, but it still has to be programmed for that. So the kids are learning the programming, the building, the engineering process, the working together, all that come together.
Definitely. Well, I like the team a lot. It's a lot of different people that I usually don't hang out with, so I get to know them more. And I'm just looking forward to helping learn about coding and about how to build a robot actually.
The big thing with the first company is this idea of cooperation. It's this word that they coined, where not only are groups competing against each other, but they also have to collaborate and to work together.
There's never been anything offered like this at Northcross, so I definitely thought my last 2 years here would be a great opportunity.
And I really am trying to get our school towards more STEM activities and really being involved in understanding what's out there for them. And I think the best way for them to know what's out there is for them to experience it.